If I'm blocking any mirrors, let me know.
You're good.
It was not a race.
I'm just making sure I can grab my emergency brake pads. This is the only scary part.
Okay, well.
As soon as you're around this corner, it's like a highway, interstate almost.
Did you see that structure, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try to keep the bouncing to a minimum. Ooh.
Look at my hands, the palms.
Woo.
Wait here.
Damn. That's crazy shit.